If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby.
Hey guys, it's Bicana. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you like it, please like the video. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I have a haul video and it's from Nasty Gal. The very first thing I have is this white top. It's so white, I think the camera is gonna not show it correctly, but it's white and it has these little peepholes in it, and it has some in the front as well. I mean the back. So this is what the back looks like, and then this is what the front looks like, pretty similar. Also, there are some slits in the side, so I really like this top. It's super duper cute. I like wearing it by dropping this extra, whatever that shit is called, off to the side to make it hang on the shoulder. So I can't wait to get some wear out of it in the upcoming weeks, and then when I go back to university. The next thing I have is a two-piece set. This is what the top looks like, and this is a Nasty Gal collection. The white top was by a brand called Ivivi, I-V-I-V-I. But then this is the second top, which is pretty sheer, and it's a crop top with a peephole in the front. It's really cute, very jungle print, Amazonian type print. It's really cute. Reminds me of a beautiful forest. And then this is the skirt. It's very wide, as you can see, but it ties around with these two extra fabric. It ties around the waist. I think I'm gonna wear some spandexy type shorts underneath it, and then a black strapless bra underneath the top and wear it out. Cause you don't always have to wear a cover up to the beach, and I don't even think it's a cover up. Some people just like to be transparent, but it's really cute. I really like it. Again, I can't wait to wear this to university with some beautiful brown heels or something. That would be super cute. And since it's a really quick video, I kid you not, this is probably be done in 2 seconds. This is the last item, which is just a jumper, and it has, again, the little circle peephole designs and slit. Let me put my hand through so you can see better. So it looks like that, and it's so cute. This is the front, the other side, and the back. But what's also cool about this is the bottoms. So they have the slit along the side. So there's this little shorts, and then there's a slit that goes all the way down, and it does that on both sides. So ultimately it will just, drape off the side of your legs. It's really cute. It's a little bit long. Everything was pretty affordable because I think there's a little sale going on, and shipping was very reasonable. It came in a couple days. Yeah, so that was a really, was it blurry? Was that blurry? Was that blurry? That was a really quick video, and I'm really trying to get my videos really short and quick. So yeah, if you like it, please go check out my other videos. I have a Zoffel haul, thrift haul, and natural hair videos. And I also recently did an epitomine video, so please go check it out. Bye!
In New York, I merely rock, hiding in my socks, running from a up, and I shoot that up, and I'm on the block.
I don't care if it was rushed, it was cool.